Are you looking to move to Olathe, Kansas? Well, if so, this video is just for you. Today's video, we're going to be in the sought after Forest View. I'm talking about one of the most lit subdivisions in Olathe, Kansas, and we're going to get after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything, and I'm talking everything that it is to know about living in Kansas City and the surrounding areas like Olathe, Kansas, well, subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to learn about the current market here in the Kansas City area and the surrounding areas like Olathe. My name is Bilal, and when I am not on reality TV, I'm all about lifestyle here in Kansas City. That includes real estate in this beautiful city of Kansas City and in surrounding areas. I'm talking about living and breathing real estate. I get calls, I get texts, I get DMs every single day from people just like you who are looking to make their move to Kansas City, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move 10 days from now or 100 days from now, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'll be happy to help you make that smooth move right here to Kansas City. The Forest View neighborhood is one of the hidden gems tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the big city, but still close enough to Kansas City for you to enjoy all the fun and the excitement it has to offer. The area offers a wide range of amenities and conveniences, including, as you can see behind me, like community pool and courts and playgrounds, making it the perfect place for families or anyone who just really loves to be outdoors. The houses are straight up baller with spacious interior, elegant finishes, and plenty of room for you to flex your interior design skills. And the tree lined of streets, it's like something straight out of a movie. I know it's like walking in a fairy tale every time you step outside. But let's talk about the real star of the show, the location. Olathe is a small town with a big heart, and there's always something happening, whether it's the farmers market or family-friendly event, or just, chill out and hang outside with your friends. You'll never be bored here. But if you're looking for something more, Kansas City is just a short drive away, where you'll find world-class museums, delicious food, drinks, an amazing nightlife scene. So if you're looking for a luxurious, charming, fun-filled place to call home, then look no further than Forest View. It's like the best of both worlds, small town living with big city perks. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity, so come with me as we head to our first property. Okay, now we are approaching our very first property of this tour of the estates of Forest View. And as you start to see, you probably can notice as we kind of look around and pan around, look at the trees. Again, as you guys have been following me throughout these video tours, the trees are always a great indicator of how established the neighborhood is. And you can see the trees are very, very small. That means that this neighborhood is a very newer neighborhood. You have a lot of new construction in the area. The home directly behind me, built in 2021, just over 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, right about $860,000 on the market. And you're looking at about a $283 cost per square foot. Newly updated, again, completely new construction. So you're gonna see a lot of the wonderful, great amenities. You have 3-car garage. Right next to it, really right next to that other house, I should say, you have new construction. You have a lot that's being for sale right directly behind me. But a very quiet, family-friendly neighborhood. That's what you have right here. Very sought-out neighborhood. Have a lot of amenities, small town feel, but at the same time, if you want a lot of the huge highlights that a big city has to offer, well, Kansas City is just a little bit further down the street, so not too far away. But Olathe has this charm. It has this just really nice, quiet, suburban feel. So for someone who's looking for that type of feel, man, this is perfect area that you can find yourself wanting to be at. Let's go ahead and go to the next house. We are now approaching our second property right here in the Estates of Forest View. And our second property coming up is literally right in the front entryway of Estates of Forest Hill. We're sitting on a cul-de-sac area. So as you kind of see, there's really only a couple of homes in this immediate cul-de-sac that are actually finished. And then the rest of them, as you can start to see, they're new builds. So being built right here behind me, right over here, right over here. So a lot of new builds. Again, consistent with the area. The home directly behind me on the market, just over $1 million, or just about 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths. You're looking at about $323 price per square foot. A lot of the homes here, you'll notice too, they are 1.5 story, which is really cool for a lot of people because you have the main primary bedroom on the main level, so you don't have to go up and down the stairs every single time. Which works out good, especially if you're older. So you have the main level, the main bedroom, the primary bedroom on the main level. Then you have your other bedrooms on the higher level. You have a lot of this home, particularly built in 2022. As you can see, again, a lot of homes directly behind me are currently being built. So 2023 homes as well. Just a really has all the finishes that you're looking for in your modern home. Very beautiful, very kept up, well neighborhood. Again, a lot of construction going on because, hey, houses are being built, and this is a really sought after neighborhood, very family friendly oriented, as we talked about, with so many different amenities that are within the area. Let's go on to our last and final property. So here we are, we're at our last and final property. It's located at 12434 South Street, and it's got everything that you could want in a home, plus a few surprises that'll make you go, wow. Here's a chance to own your own castle, right? This home is actually one of our listings here at Malford and Associates, and today we're doing an open house for brokers. So I'm actually going to take you inside so you can get a peek of this home. It's built in 2018. It's at nearly 5,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3-car garage. It's on the market currently for just under $1.5 million. So as we walk up to the property, you notice the beautiful landscape and the elegant exterior. The first thing that you'll catch your eye is the open floor plan as we walk inside. You have hardwood floors, gleaming natural light that floods, throughout the large windows. The living room is perfect for spacious entertaining your guests or to just relax with your family, maybe have a dance party. Who knows? The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large island. It's perfect for a meal prep, hosting a dinner party, just a quick snack before you head out of town. Olathe has some of the great places to eat, and you're going to want to be able to whip up something really delicious before you go out. The primary bedroom features private balcony, perfect for enjoying a morning cup of coffee or relaxing with your glass of your favorite beverage. The master bathroom is truly a spa-like retreat with a soaking tub and a separate shower, perfect for unwinding after a long day. But the true gem of this property is the backyard. Imagine entertaining your guests on the spacious deck, hosting a barbecue, or just enjoying the beautiful Kansas sunset. The backyard is truly an oasis in the heart of Olathe. Plus, it's perfect for stargazing Kansas, some of the best night skies. You'll be able to see constellations you never knew existed. Living here in Olathe means you're just minutes away from top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and entertainment. Plus, with easy access to a highway, you can be downtown in Kansas City like in no time. This way, you'll be able to experience all the city has to offer and then come back to a peaceful oasis right here in Olathe. Olathe is known for its friendly community, quality life, and excellent schools. It's the perfect place to raise a family or start a new chapter in your life. So if you're looking for luxury, charming, and high energy lifestyle, Forest View subdivision right in Olathe, Kansas is a perfect place for you. So again, whether you're looking to move 10 days from now or 100 days from now, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'll be happy to help make that smooth move right here to Kansas City. And until next time, folks, well, I hope to show you around town.